One of the really powerful features that's available with ENERCALC for Revit is the ability to calculate girder point loads without having to resort to manual calculation or equivalent line load approximations in order to design the girder. So in this demonstration, I'm going to quickly show how that can be done even without the presence of deck and area loads in the model. So this example consists of a hip roof framed in steel with a sloped and skewed girder that has a number of joists framing in and a variety of spans and tributary widths. And we're going to walk through how that can be done using the girder point load generator tool. So the first thing you'll notice when the approval window pops up is that the approval window that waits for your feedback does not freeze the interface. You're free to navigate, move around, pan, zoom, and look at the model. You can confirm the supports. When you confirm the supports, then it'll have you confirm the identities of the tributary beams that are going to be used to calculate these girder point loads. And after those quick approvals, it's going to build a reaction table. The reaction table, similarly to the approval table, does not freeze your access to the interface. So once the table builds, you'll see tributary widths and spans reported for each of these beams, and you can walk down the table and interact with the table to see the elements that have been specified. Since the interface is not frozen, you can walk to a specific element in the table and view details about that element by using the interface to verify what you're seeing reported in the table. For example, if the table is reporting that this particular joist has 4 feet tributary width and approximately 20.6 feet span, we can go to another view. We could manually verify that with measurements. And we can even go into a section view and manually check the distance, the point-to-point distance span of the beam to see if we agree with the results that are being reported in the table. Now, when you're ready to generate these forces, you can simply specify the uniform area loads that you want to use for these designs, and then use the same loads for all. It'll copy them down. You can preview the reactions. These reactions can even be manually modified if you choose. And when you tell it generate, it'll create those point loads, and you can proceed directly with launching a steel beam calculation for this girder. When that calculation loads in the ENERCALC interface, you'll be able to view all of those point loads. You can see the detailed information about them in the Span Loads tab, verify the design, and save and close the calculation.